Hi, my name is Ellen McIntosh, and this is my review portfolio assignment. So for this assignment, I did decide to use a current portfolio that I have already created. However, over the summer semester, I do plan to make some edits and just improve some of my works, as well as add in the feature project. Overall, for the branding and personal brand, I created this to be a pretty simple, clean look using neutral colors and nudish pinkish tones. Overall, I'm a very organized, simple person that kind of steers away from big text or big fonts and bold colors. So I think my design really captures what I am in essence, and who I am as a marketer. Again, because I am aspiring to be a digital marketer. I also created an about me and personalized a lot of my website. So a lot of the works that I incorporated into my portfolio have to do with something I'm passionate about or just demonstrate who I am as a person. When designing my layout, I just did decide to do articles and blogs first. Working in the marketing world, I have learned just how important blogs are, so I wanted to showcase my writing and my ability to write. Also, for marketing and public relations, I did that next, and I just downloaded different PDF forms of press releases, communication plans, and I also added links to different websites I have done, just to kind of show the business side of things I have done for clients, as well as my ability to digitally market. Also for videos and photos, I wanted to demonstrate different media tools I've used. So I did photography, and then I did an Adobe Photoshop gallery, and then I also showed my videography through doing YouTube and Premiere, as well as using Vimeo. Then finally, I did do a podcast just to show that I can use Spotify and different podcast streaming services. And then I added my resume last, just to, after seeing all my stuff, see if they would even be interested in hiring me in terms of future employers who I'd probably show this portfolio to. I think this fit my narrative because it shows that I'm simple and organized, can design easily navigatable websites, and also it showcases me, who I am as a person, as well as the work I'm able to accomplish. Thank you very much.